and welcome to another Mad Scientist video. Today we're going to be igniting iron. So do you think iron doesn't burn? For this experiment we're going to need directions, goggles, gloves, and water just in case of emergencies, tin foil, a match, a stick, a burner, and some iron. Do not do this at home unless you have the special equipment. This experiment is better in the dark. Okay, step 1. Steel wool is also known as iron wool. It's made of fine iron threads. Fluff the wool up a little bit to make it easier for the oxygen to access the iron. Fire needs air, just like we do. So in order for the fire to spread, we need there to be lots of air inside the iron. Okay, let's move everything off the tray. It says to commit this on a plastic tray. Let's also put our goggles on. Okay, step 2. It's going to be quite hot, so put the wool on your stove. Tin foil down here. Okay, now we're going to put the iron wool in there. This part says take off your gloves because we don't want to melt plastic gloves. Time for the fire. Not very good at this. Don't want to. Okay. Remember this stick, be very careful. This is fire, get an adult's help for this. Let's dim the light.
Why don't you shut the light off?
Wait, oh yeah.
Let's dim the light. Now we're going to light this stick on fire. Now let's see what we learned. Let's bring back on the lights. But will it burn? Igniting iron. Rails, nails, and other objects are made of iron, not exactly easy to burn. It may even seem that iron is not flammable at all, but you just saw some fine iron threads burn quite well. That's the secret. As it turns out, iron burns just fine when it's hot enough. But heating a big chunk of metal isn't easy. Most of the heat is quickly absorbed by the bulk of the metal. Fine threads of iron wool, however, do not have much bulk to them. Heat quickly accumulates in one place, making the iron react with oxygen. For example, burn. This produces even more heat, intensifies the process. You may have noticed that the burning iron wool did not produce any flames. That's because the iron does not release as many tiny glowing particles as an object like burning paper. Burning paper is constantly shredding carbon, C atoms, which eventually bind with oxygen, O2, to form CO2 gas, making what's left of the paper lighter. Iron atoms, Fe, on the other hand, stay where they are. They are oxygen, O, binds with them instead, making the wool heavier. That's the end of our experiment. I'm William. See you later on another... Can you cut this part out? I'm William. See you later on another mad video. No, that did not sound good. This is the end of our experiment. I'm William. See you in the next video.